A dried blood spot is a type of biological sample that is analyzed in the laboratory. Most commonly, we analyze samples for antibodies. The presence of antibodies indicates a previous exposure to a pathogen. This is not a test for active infection. Furthermore, unless specified, your sample will not be linked to any personal information you provide, such as your name, contact information, or your address. Before taking your sample, make sure to read the provided consent form. This will contain more information about the study you are participating in and how your sample will be used. Importantly, you can choose if you want your sample to be used only for the study you are currently participating in or future studies as well. Before collecting your sample, ensure you have everything you will need. Your kit should include an alcohol swab, gauze, 2 lancets, the dried blood spot card, a silver Bitran bag, 2 silica packs, and a bandage. To start off, wash your hands under warm water with soap for 20 seconds. Washing your hands under warm water improves blood flow to your hands. If your hands are prone to being cold, rub your hands together for a couple minutes to increase blood flow before taking your sample. Once you have finished washing your hands, you can open the sterile gauze packet. Next, use the alcohol swab to clean the area. Most individuals perform the prick on their non-dominant hand and ring finger. Allow your finger to dry before continuing. Next, untwist the cap on the lancet. Firmly press down on your finger until you hear a click. Wipe away the first drop of blood using gauze. Allow your blood to form a teardrop shape before letting it fall on the card. This process may take a while, and if needed, you can massage your finger to increase blood flow to the area. Continue filling in all the circles until all 5 are filled. When you are done, set aside your sample and apply pressure to the puncture site using the gauze again. Once the bleeding has stopped, use a bandage to cover the puncture site. This is an example of what a good quality sample looks like on the front and the back. Allow your sample to dry overnight away from direct sunlight. Once your sample is dry, place it in the Bitran bag with 2 silica packets. Once dried, the sample should turn a dark red as shown. To return your sample to the laboratory, mail it back to the lab using prepaid packaging or drop it off at a predetermined location. Thank you for participating in this research study.